Right then, I'm all checked in. Usual double room. Got the spare sofa bed type thing there. All my tea and coffee, milk, sugar, etc. Nice flat screen telly. And then this for a view. Wow. This is any plane enthusiast dream view from an hotel window. Got the little Airbus A320 British Airways there, landing from Jib. But yeah, the receptionist, absolute legend. He said, "Have you got any requests for a room?" I says, "Well, I believe that you do." Got aircon as well. "I believe that you do runway facing rooms." And he goes, "Yeah, but they're generally for families." I went, "Well, look, if you can't do it, you can't do it." Really nice bathroom. Really do enjoy my stays in Premier Inns. So if you can't do it, you can't do it. But he did. He managed it. So I'm on the third level here, overlooking the apron and the runway, the southern runway here at Heathrow. So what I might do in a bit, it depends, is go out here and maybe do some filming of some arrivals. I don't know. It's a bit of a unique entrance to this hotel. I don't know if I can go down there right in front, but yeah, really, five-star service from the receptionist. Right, well, I've got the dinner and breakfast booked as part of the meal deal. Tell you how much all that costs shortly. We'll go through the menu and then I'll show you what I'm going to have. But yeah, Premier Inn Heathrow Terminal 4 here at Heathrow Airport. Runway view, happy days. Also, I forgot to include, this is quite rare for Premier Inns, I ain't seen many of these around. Do have an ironing board and iron, which is very useful for ironing your clothes. And also, I've definitely not seen one of these a safe. I don't know if it's just because it's an airport one or what it is, but extra pillows there for the very comfortable bed. So we all lovers stays in Premier Inn beds. Going down for dinner shortly, so I just thought I'd show you the menu that's in the room. It says on the other side 10 PM till 5, so I don't know if that's going to be the one downstairs or that's the room service, I don't know, but got all the starters there anyway. Pretty basic, to be honest with you. Pizza and pasta. Can't go wrong on a Saturday night with that. Your pub classics, and then your desserts. Also, you've got your little portions for the kids there. To be honest with you, that is probably the menu that we're going to serve now, but we shall see. Something for everyone. So you've got all your options for the morning breakfast. I've gone for the unlimited cooked. Big stomach to feed. So for that, as you can see, got the bacon, hash browns, sausages, mushrooms, all that sort of thing. And then that's what I've done tonight. I'll put in the total price, what I've paid, at the top of the screen. But £27, 2 courses, and you also get a free drink with that. And then what I'm considering doing, adding a third course for £2 extra. But your meal deal at reception, well, I did it online. So there you go, that's all the info there for that. And then what they do, if you pre-book it, is give you a voucher. You just stand that in at the bar and off you go. Nice and simple. Right, time to dine. And as you can see, this is the menu. All different options on there. So with a meal deal, you get 2 courses, be it a starter and a main, or a dessert, vice versa. And you can have the pudding on for £2, which I'm probably going to do. So there's a brownie with my name on it there. That one's for you, babes. She's not with me, but she's with me and my food, and then that tells you what the drinks are included, because obviously you get a drink as well. There you go, add the third course for £2 extra. So I'll probably have a part of course on that. We've got the drinks upgrade, and then I've just had a look at the drinks menu. I'll probably have a pint or two afterwards, and they're not bad prices at all. £5.25 for Heineken, £5.35 for Corona. It's probably not much more than you pay your Wetherspoons in town, really. All your spirit mixers, cocktails, job lot. Yeah. Right, let's go. Start a calamari. Calamari for ages. There's my pack of course. Right, verdict given shortly. Mains. So fish and chips, as you can see, for the second week I'm running in a restaurant. I've got the chips, mushy peas, tartar sauce. Yeah, the calamari was alright. A little bit overdone for me, if I must admit, but this looks really nice. This looks like a really nice piece of fish. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. Radio, back at the room. Been here for about an hour. Had a couple of cans that I brought down with me. Catching up on a bit of footy. Match of the day. So what did I reckon to the meal? Yeah, the starters weren't the best. So the calamari, just a little bit overdone for my liking, but the cod and chips were really nice. Especially the cod. Well, it was actually haddock that I had, really nice. Really good portions. I ended up skipping on the desserts. I was just too full. It was like, yeah, I'm not going to bother with this. So I will have to have the brownie another day. Ready for me cup of tea in the morning. So it'll be very, very soon, lights out. And look forward to my premiering breakfast tomorrow. Always the highlight of staying in the purple hotels. So anyway, I'll bid you farewell and good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. It's the main event. Premiering breakfast. So as you can see there, that's my little stash. Got some toast, mixed toast, one brown, one white. Got the coffee, and there is the menu. I'll just put this up so you're not getting any reflections. Gone for the scrambled. Fancied a change, but fried was available as well. And then you've got all your pastries there, porridges, cereals, fruits. Yeah, definitely worth getting this. Time change. Righto, I'm leaving premiering. Have a walk to the terminal 2. So this is it really. A strange exit to a premiering. But yeah, the breakfast was really lush. It's a buffet breakfast. Served between 7 and 11 on the weekend, 7 and 10 weekdays, Monday to Friday. Just go back and help yourself. As you see, I got a croissant and a yoghurt. I'll be certainly telling them about Sound Trip Advisor. Really nice premiere in that one. Definitely recommend anybody to stay here if they've got an early flight from Heathrow or they just want to make an extra night of it. Bit of a drama. I had to run back and get my passport, which was left in the safe. That wasn't working. Yeah, that's good security, isn't it? But you know, I've got the backup train, 12:15 over to Terminal 2. By the way, the trains are free between the terminals. You just get a ticket and off you go, just to put in the barriers. So anyway, I will see you the other side. I'm going to do a video travelling over with Yola Wings, and Maybe the second one I did. The first one was out of Stansted, so have a look at that one as well if you've got 2 minutes. So I'll catch you soon.